We're Dave and Karen from Watts on Wheels, and we've been RVing since December of 2017. Today, Dave's going to show you how he cleans his Blackstone griddle. So show us how you clean your griddle. I notice you have it seasoned very nicely.
I do. What I do is first I scrape up all the excess stuff, and then I throw it away. And then I let it get, and it's got to get a little hotter than that.
What do you got it turned on to? High?
Oh yeah, I got it on high.
Blackstone was 17-inch?
Yeah. You buy adapters for it so you don't have to have the bottle gas.
Oh yeah.
There's two different kind of adapters you can buy. One that goes on a propane bottle to the regulator for it, but I got it hooked to the coach's gas because it already has a regulator on it, so that's this fitting.
So your fitting comes down to, oh, you got a Y, so one's going to the grill?
Yep.
And then the one goes to that.
Right.
The griddle. Okay.
Hot enough here.
Okay.
Oh, I think so.
Okay. So it's just, what, about a half a cup of water?
If that, yeah. Just pour that on there. Throw the rag on there. And just wipe it up.
So it's got a grease catcher down there?
Yeah, got a little grease bucket.
So you do this after every
time I use it.
That's why it's so well seasoned, huh?
That's right. And you don't want to handle that rag. That baby's hot. Take it from experience.
Oh.
And then I take a little bit of olive oil.
Did you use vegetable or peanut or something else?
You can probably use vegetable oil. I don't know about peanut oil. I've always used olive oil.
Okay, now you gotta be careful because it's hot.
Yeah, you just wipe it down real quick. Make sure you get the edges, the walls, the corners.
And don't touch your skin to it.
Yeah.
So that was only like, what, a half a tablespoon you put on there? Maybe a tablespoon.
Maybe. And then you even get the outside. Keeps it from rusting.
Oh. What do you like about this particular griddle?
It's quick, easy. Flips over.
What the top does?
Yeah, the top comes off and it'll flip right over on it, so it stays out of the weather.
Oh.
And then it's got a little cover that's over there that goes on it. Also comes with you can buy a carrying bag for it, which if you want to bring it to a picnic or something like that, it's easy transportable.
Yeah, this is still on high?
Yep.
And so how long is that going to go for?
I'll let it go until it starts to smoke a little, and then I'll just shut it off.
And then walk away.
Walk away.
And don't start until it's cold.
That's right. This thing doesn't use that much propane at all. It goes through those little green bottles, those little Coleman bottles. It goes through those pretty quick. But when you have it hooked up to like the 40-pound cylinders in the RV here, cook for a year.
I see a little bit of smoke.
Yeah.
That's only been...
If you look at it, you can see it where it starts to like get like orange peel.
Kind of separates or something?
Yeah. Kind of draws up and there's the smoke.
Yeah, that was only about, what, 2 minutes?
2-3 minutes.
And at what point do you say it's been enough?
We're coming up there pretty quick. I like to see that orange peel kind of form in the middle. And I think we could probably call it a day.
All right.
Turn it off. And then for safety measures, I got a little valve down here I shut off.
Oh, where's that at?
It's on that side of that fitting, little black handle.